Section 6.2 Business Intelligence. Learning outcomes intended for this section include: identify the advantages of using business intelligence to support managerial decision making, describe the roles and purposes of data warehouses and data marts in an organization, and explain blockchain and its advantages over a centralized relational database. It is of critical importance to organizations to identify their strengths and weaknesses through organizational data. Those organizations that do not have a clear picture of their own as well as their competitors' strengths and weaknesses will end up in failure. Organizational data is usually available to just MIS departments. Organizational data can be divided into structured data, which is stored in relational databases, and unstructured data such as voicemail, text messages, and tweets that are stored in data warehouses. With the invention of new equipment such as sensors, new types of networks such as IoT, Internet of Things, came into existence, which can collect a huge amount of data in a second. The challenge that organizations are dealing with is how to turn their business data, especially the unstructured data, into business intelligence. Business intelligence enables decision makers to mine large data sets, extract information, and turn information into practical knowledge. Data warehouses extended the transformation of data into information. In the 1990s, executives became less concerned with the day-to-day business operations and more concerned with overall business functions. The data warehouse provided the ability to support decision-making without disrupting the day-to-day operations. Raw data, such as point-of-sale data, can be stored in a relational database. Once processed properly, it can yield some trends and patterns, such as particular items that customers mostly buy. Relational databases are useful for processing transactional data in separate business departments. However, when it comes to aggregating multiple databases, for example, looking into the performance of both sales and marketing departments, the best option is the data warehouse. Data warehouse is a logical collection of data gathered from many operational databases that support business analysis activities and decision-making tasks. The primary purpose of a data warehouse is to aggregate data throughout an organization into a single repository for decision-making purposes. Operational databases are designed for individual departments, but if it is used to look across departments, it will show some issues such as inconsistent data definitions, lack of data standards, poor data quality, inadequate data usefulness, and ineffective direct data access. A data warehouse has three layers. One, data warehouse, which stores data from various sources over time. Two, extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL, which is a process that extracts data from internal and external databases, transforms the data using common sets of enterprise definitions, and loads the data into a data warehouse. And three, data mart, that contains a subset of data warehouse data. This picture shows a data warehouse and its relationship to internal and external databases, ETL, and data marts.